Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you a more login tutorial for beginners. Guide to multi-account management. First is, download the More Login app and sign up for an account. After you sign in or sign up, you will be directed here on your profile. Now as you can see, I only have one profile. You can go and add one by clicking on Add New Profile or Plus New Profile. You can select either it is Chrome, Firefox, profile number created, profile group, and you can enable or disable end-to-end encryption. Let's click on Confirm. Now you can see I have two profiles. Now in order to click on Start, you have to make a proxy. You can purchase a proxy or add proxy. Now on CloudPhone profile, you can create a new profile by clicking on that one. Fill up the following details and click on Confirm. But you have to upgrade your package if you're on free trial. Now here on proxies, here you can apply proxy on your anti-detect browser to create exclusive connection to avoid account ban. You can basically purchase a proxy or add if you have one. Next is trash. Here we'll see all your deleted profiles. On extension and application, extensions added in the extension management page will be synced to members who have permissions for that profile. Extensions added within the profile will not be synced. So basically, you can add a extension here by clicking on this one. Here on automation, you can bulk schedule video posts to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook video, Facebook Reel, YouTube Short with the option to customize captions and other details, significantly improving operational efficiency. Click on Create Task and here you can select where to post it, for example, this two. Now click on Confirm. After that, just follow these simple steps. But you must have a cloud phone. Now next on team, here you will see your team, your members here, and lastly, the billing. Here you can see your account balance, your package information. I am using the free option, so I don't have any balance. And that's the overview of More Login, and that's basically it.